What is an economics? What are the vital processes of an economic? What do you mean by economic problem? Or what do you mean by the term economics? What are the essence of economics? Economics, we all have observed many activities happening around us in our daily life. For instances, we must have seen factories, mines, shops, offices, flyovers, metros, railways, etc. All these institutions and organizations may be collectively called an economy. Such units enable people to earn an income and at the same time help to produce goods and services which are required by people for their use. So, we can say that an economy is a system which provides people the means to work and earn a living. So, economics economy is an organization that provides living to the people. In this case, it makes use of the available resources to produce those goods and services that people want. For example, Indian economy consists of all sources of production in agriculture, industry, transport and communication, banking, etc. तो इसमें ये बताया गया है कि इकोनॉमी जो है वो माइंस, शॉप्स और ऑफिसेज, फ्लाईओवर्स, मेट्रोज, रेलवेज, ये सब इकोनॉमी के पार्ट हैं. इंस्टीट्यूशंस एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में बी कलेक्टिवली कॉल्ड एन इकोनॉमी. सच यूनिट्स इनेबल पीपल टू अर्न एन इनकम. ये चीज़ें लोगों को उनकी इनकम जनरेट करने में हेल्प करती हैं. एन इकोनॉमी इज़ अ सिस्टम विच प्रोवाइड्स पीपल द मीन टू वर्क एंड अर्न अ लिविंग. So, economy is an organization that provides living to the people. बेसिकली इकोनॉमिक्स जो है वो आदमियों को और जो सिटीज़न हैं अपने नेशन के, उनको मींस प्रोवाइड करता है, वर्क प्रोवाइड करता है, जिससे वो अर्न करते हैं और अपनी लिवलीहुड को चलाते हैं. तो ये है इकोनॉमिक्स.